Would you enjoy working in the tobacco industry? Can you follow instructions and procedures carefully? Have you the ability to concentrate for extended periods of time? Can you keep detailed records of processes carried out? If you have said yes to these questions, the occupation of green tobacco storage controller or manager might be the one for you. Green tobacco storage controllers manage the curing or drying process of green tobacco leaves so that it can be used to make cigarettes or for pipe tobacco or snuff. Fresh green tobacco leaves have a moisture content of about 90% and are too wet to be used as tobacco. The green leaves are hung in large drying sheds and are slowly wilted and dried in a controlled environment. There are 4 stages to the process, and each stage has different temperature and humidity requirements. During this curing process, the chlorophyll in the leaf is broken down, the leaf is dried out, and the color is fixed. 2 common methods of leaf curing are flue and air curing. In both cases, the aim is to remove the moisture from the green tobacco leaves without negatively impacting aroma, color, or texture. Flue-cured tobacco is used for making cigarettes, while air-cured leaves are used for pipe tobacco or snuff. As most tobacco is used in cigarettes, flue curing is most common. Once the green leaves have been hung in the shed, the green tobacco storage controllers start the heating process by firing up the heaters and controlling the heat pump systems. They control the fans that circulate heated air around the shed, as well as setting the thermostats to the correct temperatures. At specific intervals during the curing process, the controllers verify the equipment readings. They ensure that the correct temperature and humidity levels are maintained by adjusting the fan speed to control the movement of air and heat through the leaves. They periodically inspect leaf samples to determine when to start the next stage of the curing process. The length of time the drying process takes will depend on the type of tobacco and the water content of the leaves. Controllers keep records of the curing times, temperatures, and humidity levels. They also make notes of any issues or anomalies noticed. Once the leaves are cured, they are packed in bales and auctioned to tobacco product manufacturers or other dealers for further processing. Entry into this occupation will depend on the employer's requirements. It may be possible to work as a trainee in green tobacco processing without any specific qualifications. New workers may carry out a wide range of support tasks, such as attaching hoses and fittings to equipment and moving stock. Employers will then give on-the-job training that is specially adapted to the requirements of the process or equipment to be operated. Health and safety training is also provided. Progression may involve moving to a supervisory position or to that of a quality controller. With further experience and training, it may be possible to go into a more technical position, such as that of a tobacco products processing controller.